Hello and welcome to NetAdWorks How-To series, designed to get you bite-sized answers with fast results. I'm Ely Lulevsky, a CRM team manager here at NetAdWork, and today I'll be walking you through some quick steps you can follow along with in order to get your questions answered. Let's dive right in how to quickly edit multiple records at once in Dynamics CRM. A lot of times we have the need to edit or bulk update multiple records at once. And fortunately, in CRM, we have more than one ways of doing things. And I'll show you how to do the easiest way of editing multiple records. Let's say I would like to maybe update multiple accounts. I can navigate to the accounts in CRM and I can select the accounts in question. Let's say I want to update the top 3 and let's say that these 3 customers of mine are on credit hold. So I can go ahead and click on edit in the top section. And here's the information you can update for these accounts. Of course, we can add more information or remove information that you don't want to bulk update, but this is out of the box. And here's my credit hold. So I'm going to set this to yes, and I'm going to click on save. And as you can see, my records are being updated. So if I go to Fabricam, for instance, I can see that my customer is now on hold. There's another way to update records in CRM. This way allows you to edit a maximum of 250 records at a time. And to edit more, you can export the records to Excel, update them in Excel, and then re-import them in CRM. That's the second easiest way. There's also other third-party tools, but we'll not go over them at this time. Thank you for watching. We hope you received what you needed from our video. Need more help? We offer courtesy initial consulting calls, have no minimums, integrations, add-ons, and can support all of your business solutions. And of course, we offer free business health assessments. Contact me today.